Join me every week as I turn this 2016 Ford Transit into the ultimate mobile command center. The search begins for the new Ford Transit that I'm going to be picking up. While trying to decide between the low roof, the mid roof, and the high roof of the Ford Transit family, I decided that the mid roof gave me the best head clearance for my build. I can't even really touch the ceiling. Lucky for me, I scored this 2016 at the auction with only 30,000 miles on it.
Just there, so I love to park it, and I just put a computer in the glove compartment with my pedal to the floor, radar on the grill.
And once I got it home, it was time to rip out all of those bus seats and head over to the hardware store to stack up on some lumber and tools. Start building out the cage to house the equipment in the van. Now, with the first round of supplies on deck, it was time to start the build. We are working on a tabletop for the van now. It'll be pretty transformable, so let's see how this turns out.